guys. And now I'm gonna have to do a double recording. About to start recording. Well guys, take you with me on a little drive for the camera angle and sound testing. One microphone is very sensitive. The other mic from the dash cam is a little less sensitive. I think I got everything hooked on, locked in, loaded. Whew. Kachel even aan, guys. Gotta be a hell of a sound. You cannot hear it in the action cam. I cannot see it now when I'm filming. She's filming. Let the gimbal do his own work. Put on some music in a while. Something stopped. Did it stop or did it not stop? What happened? Un momento, por favor, take a look. Still recording. No. So the problem was, he only recorded 5 minutes with the external mic. And so I have got the paid version app of €5. And now you can... Oh, was that the other one was making a sound with external mic? Well, de 5 minuten waren nog niet eens voorbij, so you never know. Well, my action cam is recording on the gimbal. So one thing is going for us, one thing going, I'm switching over. Switched over to LPG because I don't trust my gasoline meter. I'm gonna check the recording of the external mic in the Android phone. Oops, it's still recording, and it's not checkable here also. I cannot see that. I cannot see that. No, she was not recording. She was not recording. She did 3 minutes, then cut out. It's not so nice. Un momento, por favor. Oh, I'm gonna press record, and she's recording. Put her in as far. Ah. I hope I hear any more beeps. We're rolling, guys. Say this a little bit like this. Still hanging there. You want to go to the highway, little less, klein stukje. Get her warm, get her off, because just a test, boys and girls, just a test. As a map driving in progresso. back at it again, boys and girls. Therapy in session. We're not gonna go that long on the highway. We're gonna take off the first exit. Try to speak a little bit because I got a mic on my head and I got an external mic on my Android telephone, and we're driving 120 kilometers an hour. That's much better. You can only drive 100. What do we got here, guys? It's like a mustang. Something like that. It's a mustang. Gotcha. Also 5 to the gate. Whee! I'm gonna take that one on camera, boys and girls. You got a Mustang. Follow the Mustang. Nice footage. Mustang. We got you. We got you on camera, boy. Nice car. Got a nice car. Thought it was a Mustang. Not crazy. Whee! Not the good side. Whee! Are you guys up in the air? Doing it. I'm Mercedes. Bob. Hope she picks up the sounds. I think she's still recording. Boys and girls, are you still there? Een rondje drachten. Well guys, almost 200 subscribers. And then we're gonna pick somebody and we're gonna go sightseeing in Friesland. And go to the McDonald's for a hamburger, of course. The Big Mac. Awesome mad driving, boys and girls. I don't want to talk too much. It's more driving that I'm fond of. But I like questions also. I'm looking for a project car, guys. This is a project car that can stomp some money in it. But she's technically alright. Enjoy her. The gimbal is holding out quite nice with the construction. You guys saw that movie. Oh, gaan we even over de dienst naar jongens. Lekker rustig. Niet te veel auto's. Kunnen we hier ook nog even kijken. Oh, dat schakelen ook, hè. Zo lekker. Alles een beetje warm is. De olie op temperatuur, dan rijdt hij zo mooi. Dat is geweldig. Deze is een onderhoud. Ja. De ketting zat er nog lekker strak omheen. Oh, misschien nog een beetje speling en het stuur, maar ach. Ik vind deze hinderlijk hoor. Er zit wel wat op. Speling op het stuur. I think with a less sensitive mic, where you can only hear the voice and see the road, it's more relaxing than a mic. You can see the road and hear everything. So you can hear this also. Of course, it's ASMR, but we're gonna test it. All those movie editors you gotta pay for. The free versions only let you use it for 1 minute or so. Belachelijk. So yeah. I'm not an editing guy kind of guy, so look at this guys. Do we have any Mercedes? No, Opel, Renault, Fiat. Sloperij, you guys. Zo'n oliedopje dan. Allemaal oude auto's. Graveyard. Car graveyard. Well guys, hope you guys are still recording. I'm gonna go this way. You can go this way because you got nice scenery over there.